aerodynamic pressure. That's the point at which the rocket is pushing hardest against the atmosphere.
Vehicle is passing
Just finished that stage of flight.
MVAC engine chill has started.
MVAC engine chill gets the engines cold enough just in the way that the first stage engines perform its chill. And coming up shortly, we're going to have a few things in quick succession. The main engines are going to cut off, the two stages are going to separate, and the second engine will start, and the first stage is then going to make its way back towards landing zone 1 with a boost back burn.